Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are as well as I am, and considering the wonderful weather outside, I was thinking to make something fresh. So let's get started. The drink I'm gonna show you today is probably the easiest and the most simple possibility for a drink after taking a shot. Today we're gonna talk about the Skinny Bitch. When I was starting to work at the bar, I was aware that there is a countless number of names, and you as a bartender are supposed to know as many names and to be able to react to an order very fast, as it doesn't look too professional if you need to check in a book all the time what the guest is asking for. However, I was astonished that every single combination got a different name, and to be honest was very overwhelming for me. So I was so shocked that once they asked me for a Skinny Bitch, and I was like, what the hell is that? Fortunately I was not working alone, so my colleague explained me straightforward. So let's get started. We start with a highball glass, and it's very simple. We take our vodka. Today I'm using Smirnoff, and we take 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Okay, then we pour it in our glass. And I was told that basically Skinny Bitch is only vodka and soda water, nothing else. However, some sources suggest that it's good to add 1/2 ounce or 15 mils with of lime juice. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna add some citrus. Okay, here we have our 1/2 ounce. And basically now we're supposed just to top it up with soda water and we're done. However, first I'm gonna drop my ice, as I don't want that to happen. Okay. Yeah, my ice is not perfectly clear, but that is what I have. So, and some people will argue it can affect the flavor, which is true, but to be honest, most of the time the ice at the bars is not that clear. Okay, so we open our soda and we top up with about 3 ounces. Three, 4, I think I have more than 3. Okay, and we put a straw. Let's go with a pink one. So that is how you make a Skinny Bitch. Yeah, then regardless of the peculiar name, I believe one of the reasons why it's named like this, and it's fairly popular among people that are afraid to gain weight, is due to the fact that this drink is estimated to contain only about 100 calories. So it's low in energy. That's why it's preferred by some people. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and the others I have so far. So if you haven't done it, please like and subscribe. I will really appreciate that, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, everyone.